Welcome back to Let's Talk About Data. In this video, we're taking a deep dive into supervised learning, one of the most widely used techniques in machine learning. By the end of this session, you'll understand the fundamentals of supervised learning, key algorithms like linear regression and decision trees, model evaluation metrics, and how to build a supervised model in Python. If you're learning a lot from these videos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get into it. Supervised learning is when the model learns from labeled data, meaning the input data is paired with the correct output. Examples: spam email detection, label, spam/not spam. House price prediction, label, price. Key concepts: 1. Input features, X. 2. Output/target, labels, Y. 3. Training data versus test data. Types of supervised learning. 1. Regression. Predicts continuous values. Example, house price prediction. 2. Classification. Predicts categories. Example, email is spam or not. Key supervised learning algorithms. 1. Linear regression. Simple yet powerful for predicting numeric values. 2. Logistic regression. For binary classification, spam or not spam. 3. Decision trees. Tree-like structure for decision-making. 4. Random forest. Ensemble of decision trees. Evaluating supervised models. 1. For regression, mean absolute error, MAE. Mean squared error, MSE. R squared score. 2. For classification, accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score. Hands-on Python demo, classification model. Great work! You've built your first classification model. Summary: supervised learning uses labeled data. Two main types, regression and classification. Evaluating models is crucial to understand performance. Hands-on practice is key. Next week, we'll explore unsupervised learning, where the model finds hidden patterns in data. See you in week 7 on Let's Talk About Data.